Instructional video on purging air from the Adveco FRYO-9P132 air source heat pump. So remove the side cover, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and inside here we have an air release with a tube to outside the unit. It's going to purge through some air. There'll be some air bubbles coming out here. See it foaming up.
Just on the back.
Just keeping an eye on the system pressure. It will drop down a little bit. We want to pull through a bit of air. We want this down about 1.5 bar. So now we've moved some air from the plate heat exchanger that will be trapped in the top. Turn that back off again. Back to checking the pressure. It's acceptable. And if we need to top up, just to the left hand side of the auxiliary box, we have a filling loop with 2 valves. So we've got the cold water inlet and the valve that lets it into the coil loop with the air source heat pump. 2 valves there, and that'll be marked as heat pump filling loop. So hopefully you can see that on there. But that green tag says heat pump filling loop. There's also a filling loop for the electric boiler. So this is the one we want on the left hand side of the auxiliary box on an Adveco PPR 0006 packaged plant room. So we'll just give it another little burst. Make sure all that air's out. Right, that's running clear now. A few little surges. And it should be just about enough. And turn that back off. We're going to go back to our filling loop again, back to our pressure gauge, and back to our filling loop. This will need a tiny little bit of top up. Make sure the valves are safely off, and that's it.